What is up? I am back with another video with my cat. Isn't she so adorable? Sorry, my camera fell. I just got her yesterday. She's so cute. I'm just making a YouTube video because I'm bored and I have nothing else to do. Want to see my lights? This is my room. Well, you can't because I can't turn the camera on. What is up? But you can see my cat. Sorry, I have nothing to talk about. Stop it, freaking cat. Stop it! I guess I'm playing with my cat here. Stop biting me. Stop it. Ow! Look at this freaking cat. Kick. Sorry, what are you doing? By the way, her name is Stormy. Cause, see her. Ow! Cat. Well, I'm sorry this was a short video. It was really nothing, but I will. No. Today we're going to be playing with my cat. Oh, shoot. Look at her. Come here. Cat. Come here. I'm trying to make a freaking YouTube video. As you can see in my room, I got a couch in my room. I don't know why. Guess I'm playing with my freaking cat. Ow, cat. You freaking bite my hand. Ow, cat. Get to the freaking camera. So hi. Well, that was. Ow, stop biting me. Well, that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Aaliyah! Aaliyah! That's why my real pipe blew over the other day. I thought the wind blew it.
Well, that is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the notification. Goodbye.